Oh, Mr. Moses, I do now.
What do you know do? What do you know do?
So, when I get mine, they chop food for when I did.
Look at my face.
When we talk, say anything of the community.
It is smoky.
We don't get anything for house. We get mine, they chop for corner.
They chop, sir.
I don't know. It's just the pokora, they chop something. It's we don't go see you.
This is playing.
Shut up, man. You think we don't go see you? You think we are not going to see you? Let me tell you in English. Are we not going to see you? Answer the question.
Don't forget say today na Oladele Adewale Emmanuel, aka Aderichie birthday.
Who be Adewale? Who goes Adewale? Tell me, who be Adewale?
Oh, now don't forget to say Adewale Aderichie.
Okay, Aderichie, we go school together.
Yes, now. And now why you get mine? They talk food for you. No come call us.
I don't understand though. I didn't understand this guy. You have a mind. You ask a mind. Come the chop for year. Come the pokora the chop for year. Still we go finish you.
Now for them is careful now. You know to pass no. We just get pamper. Open rice. We get one bed, rice one bed. Amala one bed, barbecue one bed, spaghetti one bed, baby one bed. We to one bed. Only Akmame.
What did you come no so yan o? What are you going to do now, Taiwo?
Let's go there and celebrate now.
I celebrate here, but we can't celebrate here. I'm going wish here, no na. When I'm praying, you'll be saying amen. Amen. Oladele Adewale, may Lord bless you.
Amen. 70 years old.
May Lord lift you up.
Amen.
You shall grow up.
Amen.
You will never go down.
Amen.
God blessings.
Amen.
Happy birthday to you.
Amen.
So you still get my day talk.
No, wow. I'm sorry. You still talk. No. Check out no John.